Hi everyone, welcome to Embellishments on the 11th. It is a beautiful, not quite spring day here in southeastern Pennsylvania. It is supposed to hit 70 Fahrenheit today. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Of course, it's going to drop to like 40 tomorrow or something, but yeah, we'll take it. Anyway, it is the 11th when I'm filming this. A little bit behind in getting stuff done, but I made several different embellishments this month, and I am working still with the Doodlebug Spring Garden collection that I used for Smash Our Stash, but this time I made some different things. So let's see what I did. Actually, this, I don't know if this was part of the collection, but it's Doodlebug Designs, and I think I got it as part of the collection because it's called Garden Flowers, and it says over 30 reversible flowers. Flowers shown actual size. They're really big, right? So I only made 4, but and it says you could reverse them, but really not when you start popping things up and everything. So see, they're different colors on the back. So I made a pink, a yellow, a blue, and then I just had a few pieces left because I had used, I think, some of them before. Now what I didn't realize is on the back of this piece, there's this beautiful sheet of paper. So at some point, I'm going to have to use the sheet of paper. Yes, I am. So those are the first embellishments I made, and I hadn't really intended to make flowers this month, but there you go. They were part of that collection, and I was working with that collection. So then the next thing I made was, I made some of these in my pocket letters, or for my pocket letters, but I decided to make a few more. For these, I used the Stampin' Up! Dies here from the snail set, Snailed It set. And these are called the snail dies because they have little snails and stuff. So I just made 4 envelopes out of that paper in that collection. And I did leave this as removable, and I bumped the hello up on a removable dot by Scotch. Actually, I cut them in half, and then I just put it in like crooked. And then these I had in my stash, and I did glue them down with a glue dot, just some little yellow and pink and orange flowers. So I thought those were cute. I did 2 orange with the pink on the back and 2 pink with the orange on the back, and all the little envelopes are the same, or not the envelopes, the little notes. And the hello is from the collection. I probably still have 1 or 2 more hellos, I think, available. And this is not Stampin' Up! Mostly. Then I have these foam glittery eggs, which are really glittery. I decided to make a pocket on them. Not the easiest thing to do. And I just put these bunnies in to show you there's a pocket. And I didn't really know yet what if I'm gonna put anything else in or not. This is the Dollar Tree twine from Crafter Square 3-pack. I don't know if they still sell that. I don't remember seeing that when I was in last week, but so that one has washi going across this fancy paper. I may still put stickles around the outside edge of the pocket just to make it look better. So these two have the blue twine. This one has Easter egg washi on this designer paper. And these butterflies, I'm thinking I got them also at Dollar Tree a while back. Oh, and these little bunny pom-poms are retired Stampin' Up! Product, assorted pom-poms. I don't remember the name of the set. They were in last year's annual, I think. I forget what they went with, but they had like Pretty Peacock, Real Red, Grapefruit Grove, I want to say, and white. Grapefruit Grove, of course, retired, so they did too. And then these two are a little bigger, and this I just put the same paper as I used in these envelopes with the little ladybug and flowers on it. And again, just put 3 bunnies in. I hot glued this trim down and this bunny down. And on this one, I did not hot glue this trim. I put it down with our glitter glue. I got a little crooked. This one's a little different. It has a chickie and a bunny. This had been gifted to me by Kathy's Cards. These bunnies, these glimmery bunnies, which the glitter doesn't come off of those, the eggs it does. Those came from Tuesday Morning some time ago. And I don't remember. These might have been from Walmart. Bunnies and carrots felt stickers. I think I only have one of each left now, but I could be wrong about that. Bright Minds by Nicole. Oh no, Nicole. This was probably AC Moore. Yep. Bright Minds go to AC Moore. Guess I won't be getting any more of those from AC Moore because they closed now for good, permanently. So yeah, so these two are a little bigger, and they have the pink and white twine, and then these two are a little smaller. And then the last thing I made, let me move these up a little bit, are some tags. These two, I just had, these are from scraps, so I just made sure they were only 2 inches, and I used Stampin' Up's Delightful Tag Topper Punch that has this beautiful design up here and a round hole which twine fits through fine. And these two just have retired Stampin' Up white baker's twine. This paper's from the collection. And these all were in my stash, and these are stickers from the collection. I wanted words, but I wasn't really finding any I liked. And then on the back of these, I used other scraps, and what made me do that actually is, I think this one, this paper, it had that like barcode stuff at the bottom here, so, and actually so did this paper. So I covered them both up by making a pocket, and I think somebody gifted me this felt bunny, so I stuck it in there. And this one, I didn't have another one of those felt bunnies, so I stuck a little white puffy foam bunny, satiny bunny, which are really cute. Those were gifted to me by, and maybe so was this, I'm not sure, by Aloha Sherry's a couple years ago. So that's those two. And then these two, this uses Target washi that I got several years ago. It's this pretty pink flowery pattern. I put it on top and the bottom. And then of course I used the Michaels sort of trim. But the sun, the Beautiful You, and the scooter were cut aparts from the collection. These are papers from the collection which have these clouds on the back. And the butterflies, I think, are from Dollar Tree. I don't know if they have them anymore or not either. And then these are out of this, well, actually the pale pink ones, I don't know where I got them. Maybe Michael's, I don't know. Maybe Dollar Tree. But the dark pink ones on here, these were from Michael's. I don't know if they're Recollections, I guess so. But they at one point were selling these whole kits of embellishments like this, and then also there's a whole nother container I have, I think that's all pearls, even though there's some pearls in here, different color pearls, and I rarely use them, so yeah. And the sun is popped up on dimensionals, and then I cut that Michael's trim in half, and these do not have anything on the back. So those are my embellishments for this month. 4 tags, 4 Easter egg with pockets, 4 flowers, and 4 envelopes. So I hope you can see that and enjoy it. And yeah, I had fun making these, so I hope you enjoyed watching them. And do visit all the other participants in the collaboration. They will be linked down below the video. See what they've made. And also come back next month on the 11th to see what we've done for our embellishments next month. All right, everyone. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.